Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2015 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, running boards, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. Your new ride is just a phone call away.